Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game.
Tarik siapa yang lebih tajam?
Serot.
Sendiri, Pon. Sialan. Lip balik. Aduh, satu lip nggak ada. Lip baru 55 detik.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Zidane. It's Bergkamp.
Come on.
Played out to the right. He's found a way through.
Cepat. Aha. Aduh dia Leo. Kipernya. Cek.
Truly wonderful goalkeeper.
Cek.
And he's there to clear it.
Adriano.
And now they can spring out of defence.
Ya, aduh.
Well,
Trot. Aduh, dong Kawan.
Desai. And Baggio. And it's Bergkamp. Zidane.
Trot.
Move forward and quickly so. Zidane showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it
Ya,
out.
Adriano. Aduh, lambat. Ada.
What can they make of this?
Aduh, kena dia.
Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Banyak.
Going to throw in. Adriano. Well, that's well done, really robust. And here's Henry.
Aduh.
Well, he's got it back in a hurry.
Aduh.
And that has been clubbed away. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
Ini dia ada. Raiso.
Have their second corner now. Massively. He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Aduh.
Oh, is it?
Oh no!
Brilliantly.
Shevchenko is very talented here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
He's managed to misplace that.
Trot.
And now a sudden chance to counter.
Cek. Good. Aduh.
Has snuffed out the danger. And it's Figo. Check hunts it upfield. Mascherano.
Ya. Henry.
Aduh.
Aduh.
Had to make that, and he did make it. Desai gets it clear.
Aduh.
He's got away.
Ada.
Oh, well played.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates
One
were
boy.
very annoyed.
Aduh.
He's cut it out. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Clearly is miffed.
Kita
having made the run and not get picked out.
Kemenangan.
Mascherano. Adriano.
Ye, kok nak dia sialan, diam lagi.
Ya.
Looking for.
pieced together as efficiently as that. It's a joy to watch.
So that's two now without reply.
That second goal is such a polarising effect.
Well, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Zidane, and here's Basho. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. Looking for the runner. That was no routine save.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper, has just received a late good goal. Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Adriano, he's through, now it's in! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Zidane, and it's...
Come on, Bergkamp, Bergkamp!
He's had a shot!
Bergkamp, 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 Bergkamp!
And they are dragging it back! Game on again!
Woi. Ya. Tadi bentar lagi
Yeah,
bentar.
the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
15 menit. Ya. Kalau nggak ada telepon nggak gol tuh sih.
Enggak, biar ada.
Udah paham tuh. Tuh ya.
Oke. Oke.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could near well reward them with an equaliser.
And here's Shevchenko. Oh, good spread. He's found a way past.
Aduh.
Shot could be on.
Hop.
Aduh, lewat ya.
And here's Henry. Looking for options
Aduh,
for
gua,
movement.
bos.
Zidane.
Oh.
Beckenbauer makes the interception. He's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with.
Hah?
Nice
Aduh.
interception, well timed. Yeah. Let's sit down. And here's Bergkamp.
Come on,
The ball is
lah.
loose and the chase is on.
Aduh, mau bola.
He's a delicate ball. Well, the chip pass hasn't quite come off.
Kiper kan? Higo.
Good work on the right flank here. Roberto
Figo.
Baggio gets his pass away. Figo tries to get it clear.
Aduh, di mana ya?
Delicate chip. And the shot!
Ah, kok samping sih?
Oh, he didn't
Ah,
have it
lebar.
right, but fluffed the finish.
It was such a clever idea to lift it into his path.
It's Figo.
Ais. Kijol,
The
biar.
touch does pay off here, and they can counter here.
Throw.
There's a sharp little ball here. No, that's been intercepted.
Duh. Eh?
Zidane.
Ah, what?
Set.
That'll be a throw. No, he wasn't going to let him pass.
Handball. Kiper kan?
Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball.
Up. Good.
Fiddles it through.
Good.
Handball. Kiper kan?
Figo. He's going to be disappointed with that. Adriano.
Aduh.
Interesting ball.
Ah, baru.
Duh.
Shot. Aduh.
Baru.
He's got with one there.
Vâng.
Oh, that's a key interception.
Aduh. Iya, Bang.
The whistle goes for half-time. Come in at half-time, largely satisfied with where they are. After a half which has certainly had its moments, has been lit up with some flair from time to time. The scoreline in their favour at the break, 2 goals to 1. Either side holding back here, it has been quite a half this.
Well,
Salah.
it's still anyone's game, as both sides have shown they have goals in them. As for the next one, should it arrive,
Cuk! Aduh. Iya.
I think the little eagle has just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
Belum.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And here's Henry.
Aduh.
A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Oh.
Yeah.
The game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed
Yes.
its journey.
Itu namanya ke?
It's their second corner of the game.
Jul.
Knocks it away.
Ya.
Namanya? Yeah.
Yeah.
Kita udah dapat.
Mascherano.
Belum juga. Aduh.
Well, that was a period of possession which can... Oh, the question, that's a foul.
Dah.
Good start, he's seen the run. Great ball if he can get there.
Jul.
And that has been cleared.
Well, that's the first attempt, Peter, we've seen at one of those breaking passes just to spread the play.
Trot. Aduh. Ya Allah.
And somehow it stayed out.
Awak. Jauh sekali.
Bergkamp really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn.
Belum.
Oh, easy pickings there. And it's Mascherano. Could move up again.
Cur.
Well spotted.
Empat.
Oh, good take in a good
Aduh.
area. Roberto Baggio.
Aduh,
Has been
siap.
cut short.
Kok.
Aduh. Neno.
Defenders on the back foot. Where's Bergkamp? Zidane. Real better options before the ball was lost. Easy to save him up here, I know. Nicely intercepted. And now the breakaway. Sends it forward. Oh, that's a nice ball.
Figo.
Well read. And the danger is averted.
But this is exactly the approach they have to take now, Peter.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible.
Oh, sialan.
Real chance! And he hits the net. That really is quite fabulous.
All his own doing. Yeah, that's what the game is all about. Excitement and entertainment. What a lovely moment.
Yes, it's him again.
So the lead now is 2. They've seen the light and the opposition have been left in the dark.
Irwin.
Oh, nggak
It's
bisa.
loose. Who's going to get there? He is just caressing the ball. So, third corner of the game.
Trot. Trot.
Threads one in. I think that's offside. Yes, it is.
Yo, Bang. Oh.
That has left him in a heap.
เครื่อง
Fiddles it through.
วิน
And he cuts out the supply.
ฮัลโหลมาสระโด
Big swung through.
เอ๊
Bergkamp.
ครับ
Check and claim that.
Hajar dia, hajar, hajar.
And it's Henri. Adriano.
aduh tuh
A real chance to break. Passing is crisp and sharp. Cannavaro does really well to win the ball back. So their fourth quarter of the game.
Trot, trot,
ท
trot.
รัพ
And that's been
ทรั
leading.
พวิ่ง
And that's caused a worry or two.
Owen usually is so good from that range. He didn't quite connect as he can though.
Gerrard.
Lah,
Well, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Figo.
อ่า
Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past. It's Henri!
นี่วิ่งดิยัน
that one away.
Well, that also wrapped it up, Peter. He may well regret that, you
จริง
know.
อีกครึ่งเจนต่างเลยแล้วมันเจนกันอยู่
And here's Bergkamp. Zidane. Well, that's well seen too. Now it's Henri. Desai gets a foot in here.
Oh, good.
Now it's Gerrard.
อะดู
Terus lagi.
It's off target and by quite a way.
Gerrard knew immediately he didn't catch that to his liking, and his face was a picture of dissatisfaction.
รถ
Bergkamp really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball. Then again, he was being very closely marshalled.
And here's a chance.
อะดู
Oh,
Should have put that away.
buat salah gitu. Bagus ini.
อ่ะ
Now it's Figo. Now here's the
Shoot!
towering header. And somehow he managed to miss it.
Yeah, this is part of the job. Head down and keep plugging away.
Udah, bagus ini. Oh, cool.
Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. Henri looking for the runner.
อะดู
Brilliant interception.
เออเหมือนเราเป็นอะไรอย่างนี้
Desai can get it clear. And now they can spring out of defence. Figo. Good
Come
spot.
on,
He's seen the
boy,
run.
boy, boy, boy,
Shevchenko.
Come on,
The ball's come loose here.
Ke situ, ke situ.
And what a climax we have here! The invitation was clear and it was accepted with the utmost
Double.
speed.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
simply
little
classic
buggy,
defending
buggy.
when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
We have got ourselves a game here.
วิ่ง
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing
Masih
this
ada
one out.
waktu.
Figo.
bahaya nih
Oh!
Squeeze it out of harm's way.
Aduh,
I thought it was going to happen then. How
Jack.
many more chances can they realistically expect now?
Well timed, excellent interception. Baggio gives his
Ah.
colleague a guilty.
If the rule
Ah!
doesn't, they can revisit that further on.
Looking for
Yes! Aduh, salah, salah, salah.
He's got space. Looking that.
Ya.
And here's Bergkamp.
Hah?
He's had it taken off him,
Ya.
and that's it.
Ya.
Salah ini juga. Nanti dibilang, saya menang lah, mungkin penasaran. Om, santai.
Bye bye.